Have you ever been told that you should close accounts that you're not currently utilizing? Maybe a credit repair company or a credit guru, perhaps your family members, may have told you that you should close accounts that you're not currently utilizing. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Lauren Dolgeru, aka the Solutionist. I help people to restore and remaster their credit profiles so that they can have the lifestyles they desire. Now, like I said, you shouldn't close down accounts that you're not utilizing if they reflect positively and you're not using them. Don't close them. Here's why. It will affect your utilization rate. It'll affect your overall available credit, your age of credit. It's going to affect a number of variables on that credit profile. And leaving it alone, you don't have to use an account. There's nothing that says you have to use an account. But leave it open. It plays to your advantage when we're upscaling your credit profile. Again, I'm Lauren Dolgeru, aka the Solutionist. I'm here to help you remaster and restore that credit profile so that you can have the lifestyle you desire. I hope you found great value in our short few minutes here today. Please like and subscribe this video and all videos Total Solution Trust. You won't want to miss out on the important information that we have forthcoming about restoring your credit profile and ultimately leveraging it to create new streams of income. So until next time, thank you for joining me.